Hey guys! In today's video, I will show you how Las Atlantis Casino Free Chips 2022 can be yours in just a few minutes. You can achieve this with the help of our code generator, which I will explain further through the video how to use. Stay with me and get your Las Atlantis no deposit bonus codes. First, open up your favorite browser and go to this website, giftcardcorner.net. On the homepage of this awesome website, go search bar and search for Las Atlantis Casino. Click the first result link to open. Scroll down till you see this big green button and click on it to open the generator. You can see all available amounts you can generate on the generator page. So scroll down and select the amount of your choice. Click on it and give the generator to do what it does best. Okay. The code's generated, but we can't see the last digits because it's hidden. To unlock it, simply click the Human Verification button and complete any survey of your choice to prove you are human and not an automated robot. Soon after you finish, the full code will be unlocked, and you can get the full working codes thanks to this generator.